Elon Musk, architect of the future. In the pantheon of visionaries shaping the 21st century, few names resonate with as much innovation and audacity as Elon Musk. A maverick entrepreneur, inventor, and pioneer of transformative technologies, Musk has captivated the world's imagination with his relentless pursuit of ambitious goals and groundbreaking ventures. Born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Musk's journey to prominence is marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence and an unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of human potential. From his early days as a computer programmer to his meteoric rise as the CEO of multiple cutting-edge companies, Musk's trajectory is a testament to the power of ingenuity and perseverance. At the forefront of Musk's groundbreaking ventures is SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company founded in 2002 with the audacious goal of making space exploration more accessible and cost-effective. Under Musk's leadership, SpaceX has achieved numerous milestones, including the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit and the first successful landing of a reusable rocket booster. But Musk's ambitions extend far beyond the confines of Earth's atmosphere. Through SpaceX, he envisions humanity becoming a multiplanetary species, with the ultimate goal of establishing a sustainable human presence on Mars. His bold vision has inspired a new era of space exploration, rekindling humanity's collective fascination with the cosmos and redefining the possibilities of interplanetary travel. In addition to his ventures in space exploration, Elon Musk has made significant contributions to the field of clean energy and transportation. As the CEO of Tesla, Inc., he has spearheaded the development of electric vehicles that are not only environmentally sustainable but also sleek, powerful, and coveted by consumers around the world. Tesla's innovative approach to automotive design and its commitment to accelerating the transition to sustainable energy have positioned Musk as a trailblazer in the fight against climate change. Beyond his role at SpaceX and Tesla, Elon Musk has made forays into other disruptive industries, including artificial intelligence and neural engineering. Through ventures like Neuralink and OpenAI, he seeks to unlock the full potential of the human brain and harness the power of artificial intelligence for the betterment of society. Yet, for all his accomplishments and accolades, Musk remains a polarizing figure, attracting both adoration and criticism in equal measure. His unfiltered presence on social media, penchant for provocative statements, and willingness to challenge established norms have earned him a reputation as a controversial figure in the public eye. Nevertheless, there is no denying the indelible mark Elon Musk has made on the world. His boundless ambition, visionary leadership, and relentless pursuit of innovation have cemented his status as a modern-day icon, inspiring generations to dream big, think boldly, and dare to imagine a future beyond the confines of the imaginable. As humanity stands on the cusp of a new era defined by rapid technological advancement and unprecedented challenges, Elon Musk serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us of the limitless possibilities that await those bold enough to reach for the stars. In the annals of history, his name will undoubtedly be etched alongside those of the greatest pioneers and explorers, forever synonymous with the spirit of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress.